Hello students, welcome back to English class. I hope you all are happy and well. Dear students, today we will discuss the exercise questions of the chapter My Experiments with Truth. First of all, we will start with the short answer questions. So, the first question is, why did Gandhiji father go to Rajkot? The answer is, Gandhiji's father went to Rajkot to become a member of the Rajasthan court. The second question is, what kind of student Mahatma Gandhi was? The answer is, Mahatma Gandhi was a mediocre student. The third question is, what was the teacher's reaction after the inspection? The answer is, the teacher tried to explain the stupidity of Mahatma Gandhi for not copying the correct word to him. The next question is long answer questions. So the first question is, describe in brief what happened during the inspection. The answer is, Mr. Giles, educational inspector, had given the children 5 words as a spelling exercise, and Gandhiji had misspelled a word cattle. The teacher had tried to prompt Gandhiji, but he could not be prompted. Later, the teacher tried to explain Gandhiji about his stupidity, but it had no effect. The second question is, how did the play Harishchandra affect Mahatma Gandhi? The answer is, the play Harishchandra had affected Mahatma Gandhi emotionally. He was deeply influenced by the virtues of telling the truth when he watched the play of Harishchandra. The third question is, write the character sketch of Gandhiji as a young boy. So the answer is, Gandhiji was a very shy person. He was a mediocre student and never told a lie to anybody. He loved books and they were Gandhiji's best friends. The third question is, answer the following questions with reference to context. So the first part of the context is, my books and my lessons were my sole companions. And question A is, who is my being referred to in the above line? The answer is, my is being referred to the Mahatma Gandhi. Question B is, what do you understand by the word sole companions? The answer is, sole companions means particular friend. Question C is, what does the above line depict about the nature of the speaker? The answer is, it depicts that the speaker loves reading and is a shy person. The second part of the context is, there is an incident which occurred at the examination during my first year at the high school and which is worth recording. Question A is, which exam is being referred to in the above line? The answer is, high school English exam is being referred to in the above line. Question B is, what does the above line indicate about Mahatma Gandhi's character? The answer is, it indicates that Mahatma Gandhi was a memorous person. Dear students, open page number 17. Dear students, I want you to do the questions of my word bank by yourself. Now coming to learning grammar. We match each subject with its respective predicate to get a complete sentence. Subject and predicate. are two parts of the sentence. The subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells us what the subject does or is. The subject is the doer of the action. The predicate, the action is itself. A subject has a noun or pronoun. The predicate has a verb. Remember, when you ask who or what to the verb in the sentence, you get the subject of the sentence. Let us now pick out some subjects and predicates from few sentences. Samantha eats ice cream for the dessert. Here the verb is eats. When you ask who eats, you get the answer Samantha. So Samantha is the subject and the rest of the part is predicate. Mike and George played in the mud. I built a sand castle at the beach. So students, this was all about subject and predicate in a sentence. So students, I want you to do the next question by yourself, which is look at the sentences given below and write whether the bold part is subject or predicate. And I think you can do it now. Thank you students. With this, we have completed our second chapter.